Good morning, students. I hope all of you are fit and fine at home. Now, this is our grammar lecture. Already, we have finished the lesson, the vowels and consonants. Now, we have started lesson number 4. See, what is lesson name? Words. What? Words. See, when we speak and write, what we use? We use words. Now, I am speaking something. So, I am speaking with using some words. Yes or no? Because words carry meaning. Each word have different meaning. We use letters to make words. How words can make? Words are made using letters. So no alphabetical letter, that is A to Z letters we are using for making words. Here is how we put letters together to make words. See here, these are some words. Okay, words are these. This is what word? This is what word? This is dog, dog. For making this word, we using D letter, O letter and G letter. Yes or no? D, O and G make dog. Now see here. What is this? This is boy. B-O-Y, boy. Okay. B-O and Y make boy. This letter B-O and Y make boy. Now see here. This is which picture? This is bat. B-A-T, bat. Okay, we are using here B, A and T to make this word bat. This way we want to take some English, that alphabetical letter, and we want to make useful and meaningful words. Now see here, the letters B, O and Y by themselves have no meaning. Yes or no? B, O and Y by themselves have no meaning. Single if you are taken B, then that have no meaning. Suppose spelling of boy is what? B-O-Y. If we write O-Y-B, is it correct? No. We want to make properly that word in proper sequence. See, when we put them together as boy, we get the word B-O-Y, boy. The word boy carries meaning. Yes or no? If we are writing like this, O-B-Y, Y-B-O, is any meaning is there? No. Okay. So, correct word is B-O-Y. Yes or no? Now, see here some example. Then you understand these words. Okay. Question number 1. P-U-T put. See this. This is word again. P-U-T put. The mix of letters together properly to make words as shown. See. Question number 1. Put the mix of letters together properly to make words as shown. Here words are missing. Okay, mix. So we want to see picture and we want to make meaningful word. Okay, see this. Which picture is this? This is boy. What is spelling of boy? Here we already see. What is spelling of boy? B-O-Y, boy. See, B is here, O is here, Y is here. Okay, they are mixed up. We want to write correct spelling. See, B-O-Y is the correct spelling of boy. Now see this. What is this? Yeah, this is what? This dog. What is spelling of dog then? D O G, dog. Okay, these are mixed up. You want to write correct spelling. Understood? Let's see. What is this? This is what? Cat. What is spelling of cat? Yes, spelling of cat is C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. Okay. Now see next. What is this? Yes. What is it? This is car. Yes or no? Then what is spelling of car? Yes, spelling of car is what? C-A-R, car. C-A-R, car. Okay. You again practice this word. Read this word and learn the spelling of these words. Okay. Now see next. What is this? This is what? Hut. H-U-T, hut. Okay. H-U-T, hut. See this U again. H-U-T, hut. What is this? See this. What is this? All of you like this. Yes or no? But don't drink cold water. Okay. This is what your favorite? Ice. What is that? Ice. What is spelling of ice then? I-C-E, ice. I-C-E, ice. Now see next. What is this? Yeah, this is what? Pen. What is spelling of pen then? P-E-N, pen. Okay, these are your meaningful words. See, they are mixed up, but we are writing correct spelling from using that letters. Okay. See this. What is this? Yeah, this is what? T. संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल this is what? T. Then what is spelling of T? T-E-A-T. Now see this. What is this? Yeah, this is what? Rain. All of you like rain, and now this is a rainy season. Now tell me, what is spelling of rain? R-A-I-N, rain. Yes or no? R-A-I-N, rain. Now see this. What is this? This is fish. This is fish. What is spelling of fish? F-I-S-H, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Now see next. What this boy is doing? Yes, this boy is reading something. Yes or no? Then what is spelling of read? Reading. Read. R-E-A-D. R-E-A-D. Read. Okay. Now see next. Okay. Now what I am doing? I am writing. Okay. This also writing. Then what is spelling of write? W-R-I-T-E. W-R-I-T, write. Okay. Now what this boy is doing? This boy is sleeping. And what is spelling of sleeping? S-L-E-E-P, sleep. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. Okay. Now, what these children are doing? The children are playing. These children are playing. Then what is spelling of play? Play. 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 Okay. See properly this word. You want to learn these words. Okay. Now, see question number 2. Make words from the letters given below with the help of the picture. Okay, these words are given and some pictures are given. Using this, we want to make meaningful words. Okay, we will start from here. What is this? This is what? Mat. Okay, see this M-A-T, mat. Okay, so we will write here M-A-T, mat. Okay, this comma. Then what is this? This is tie. Then what is spelling of tie? T-I-E, tie. We want to use only these letters. T-I-E, tie. Then what is this? This is our India map. This is map. What is spelling of map? M-A-P, map. Now see this. What is this? This is rain. Okay. What is spelling of rain? Already we have seen here. R-A-I-N, rain. R-A-I-N, rain. So we will write here R-A-I-N, rain. Now see this. What is this? This is train. This is train. What is spelling of train then? T-R-A-I-N. Okay, we want to write spelling of rain, but firstly we want to write T only. Okay, these two spellings are same, but while writing train spelling, we want to add here T only. Okay. Now see this. What is this? This is what? Pail. This is called pail. P-A-I-L, pail. See here. P-A-I-L, pail. Pail means bucket. Okay. See this bucket. Now what is this? This is lamp. Okay. See spelling of lamp. L-A-M-P, lamp. So we will write here L-A-M-P, lamp. Now tell me what is this? Yeah, this is a mouse. Okay, or we can call it rat. R-A-T, rat. But while writing spelling, we want to use only this letter. Okay, so we will write here R-A-T, rat. Now this is what? This is man. M-A-N, man. This is what? Yeah, this is what? Pin. P-I-N, pin. This is what last? No, one is remaining. This is what? Pear. This is fruit. P-E-A-R, pear. See, P-E-A-R, pear. Okay, pear. This is fruit. This is what? Net. N-E-T, net. Okay. See again this properly. And what you want to do? You want to learn the spelling. Okay. You want to learn all these spellings. Okay. Also, you by your own, you try to write the spelling of these things at your home. Okay. Now we will finish our lecture here. Thank you and have a nice day.